Two countries, same population scale, same poverty just 40 years ago. Yet today, almost every product you own says made in China, while much of the world's software is built by Indians. So here's the real question. Why did two similar countries choose completely different paths to growth? In the 1970s, both India and China were poor agricultural economies. Income levels were similar. Industries were weak. China began economic reforms in 1978 under Deng Xiaoping. India followed in 1991 after a financial crisis forced change. But the difference wasn't timing alone, it was what they decided to build first. China focused on one goal: become the world's producer. The government created special economic zones, built ports, highways, and power plants at massive scale. Foreign companies were invited with cheap land and fast approvals. Millions of rural workers moved into factories. By the 2000s, China wasn't just exporting toys, it dominated electronics, machinery, and global supply chains. China invested nearly 40% of its economy into infrastructure, something few countries ever sustained. India's path looked very different. Complex labor laws and slower land acquisition made large factories harder to scale. But India had one unexpected advantage: English speaking engineers. When the internet boom arrived, companies realized software could be exported without ships or factories. Cities like Bangalore became global tech hubs almost overnight. China's centralized system allowed rapid, long term planning and fast infrastructure building. India's democracy moved slower but encouraged startups, private companies, and innovation. One optimized for scale, the other optimized for flexibility. Today, China leads global manufacturing and exports. India leads in IT services, digital payments, and software talent. Neither model is perfect. Both now face challenges like jobs, inequality, and slowing growth. The lesson isn't that one model is better, it's that economic success depends on choosing strengths and committing to them for decades. Same starting point, different decisions, completely different outcomes. If you enjoy exploring how the world works, subscribe to Explorer Alina, where we break down global ideas in simple ways. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.